Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lugg. United Oil and Gas PLC has released an updated technical presentation highlighting the exploration potential of its Walter Morant license offshore Jamaica. The UK-based energy company says the new report, titled Evidence for a Petroleum System Jamaica License, provides a geoscientific update to support ongoing efforts to secure a farm-out partner. The presentation outlines key findings from the company's extensive technical work, including evidence of a working petroleum system drawn from historical wells and regional studies, de-risking efforts across the license block, and future technical plans. CEO Brian Larkin said the Walter Morant license remains one of the most attractive frontier exploration opportunities in the region. He added that several interested parties are already under non-disclosure agreements as momentum builds in the farm-out process. Now, Tropical Battery Company has announced an extension of the closing date for its additional public offering APO following requests from several institutional and other prospective investors seeking more time to finalize their internal investment process. After consultations with its lead brokers, NCB Capital Partners and Sagicor Investments Jamaica, Tropical Battery has pushed back the APO closing date from Friday, June 20, 2025 to on or before Friday, July 4. The company says the extension reflects its commitment to ensuring broad-based investor participation and providing adequate time for all interested parties to engage in what it describes as a significant capital-raising initiative. The JSE Index advanced by 1,171 points, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 34 points. The winners included Elite Diagnostics, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Berger Paints Jamaica, and Jetcon Corporation. The losers included Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Proven Group US dollar shares, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, MFS Capital Partners, and Dollar Financial Services, 17 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.93. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.96. The pound is going for $216.32, while the euro is selling for $185.15. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas on our Bite of the Week after the break.